Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to walk through the installation and configuration of MariaDB on Fedora Linux. MariaDB is an open-source relational database that started as a fork of MySQL. While it shares many similarities with MySQL, MariaDB often offers more features and better performance. So, let's get started with the installation process. First, let's install MariaDB using the DNF package manager. Run the following command in your terminal. Once the installation is complete, MariaDB will be installed on your system. But to interact with it, we need to start the service. Next, let's check the status of the MariaDB service and start it using the systemctl command. You can also enable MariaDB to start automatically on system boot with this command. Now that MariaDB is up and running, it's time to secure the installation. We'll use the MySQL_secure_ installation script, which will guide us through setting up a root password and disabling some insecure default settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to set the root password and configure security settings. Remember to answer yes when asked to remove anonymous users, disallow remote root login, and remove the test database. Let's now access MariaDB as the root user using the following command. Once inside, we can check the default databases by typing the command. Now, let's create a new database named OpenCentral. Next, we'll create a new user called admin and set a password for it. This user will have administrative privileges over the OpenCentral database. Once done, type exit to leave the MySQL system. Now, let's log in again, but this time using the admin user we just created. After logging in, check the available databases with the same command. Notice that only a limited number of databases appear, including our new OpenCentral. Let's now create a table named Test within the OpenCentral database. Insert some sample data into this table. That's it for today's video. You've learned how to install, configure, and start using MariaDB on Fedora Linux. We also created a database, added a user, and performed some basic SQL operations. If you're interested in securing your database further, make sure to check out our video on configuring firewalls in Fedora. Link is in the description box below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tutorials. See you next time.